Tuscan Rendering provides a mud brick restoration and repair service for degenerated or damaged mud brick homes around Melbourne and regional Victoria. Over a period of time, organic brickwork materials can break down if they are exposed to harsh weather conditions, animal or insect intrusion, or water damage. When this occurs, the outside face of the mud brick begins to break down, leaving the brick surface unsealed and open to further erosion. At Tuscan, we have developed both synthetic and organic coating systems that not only reseal damaged brickwork, but adequately restore the body of the brick to its original state. Each project demands a specific combination of binders, pigments and organic aggregates that reflect original surface texture and colour. Combining such ingredients enables our team to achieve a close match between materials used many years ago and those used in the process of rejuvenation. Our mud brick restoration service is not limited to the treatment of external walls, but can also be applied to internal walls that may have suffered from fracturing and movement against structural components. Furthermore, Tuscan Rendering can replicate the mud brick look through decorative render, creating adobe textures on a variety of masonry and lightweight wall substrates. If you're looking to redevelop your mud brick home to its former state or want to achieve an organic brick look through render, we can help. Call Tuscan Rendering today.